F3 exercise 4D question 6b. Now this question wants us to integrate 1 out of square root of negative x squared plus 4x plus 5 with respect to x. Now while we are on the topic of completing the square, this question specifically wants us to use a suitable substitution. So we might need to think about it a little bit more. If you use the formulas in your formula sheet directly, you will be penalized because they want you to use a substitution. However, knowing what is on the formula sheet can help you decide what is a good substitution to choose. So let's start with completing the square still of what is inside here. You should be able to do this quite successfully. Let's put it back here before we think of what to do in our next steps. Okay, in previous parts where we can use the formula, there is one of the formula that starts with this, which matches with the form we arrive at. The corresponding result is arcsine. Thus, this will be a useful hint to what we should use as our substitution. So looking at our equation here, I will let my substitution be x minus 2 be equals to, this is arcsine. So when I put it here, I will want to choose sine. Also, to compensate for this 3, I would like to put a 3 over here. And then I will differentiate it. Let's convert this first. Differentiate x so that I can deal with the dx. dx d theta is 3 cosine theta. Differentiate 2 is 0. All right. Then our original expression will become I'm looking at here, 1 over square root 3 square minus 3 sine theta whole thing square. Then we deal with the dx. Which will give us dx 3 cos theta. This guy goes over like this, right? So 3 cos theta d theta. Once you're complete, this is d theta. Everything here should be in theta and no more x. If that is done, it should be correct. We can simplify this. Let me know if you need further elaboration. So square root of 3 squared is 3. It will cancel out nicely with these three. And put the cosine on top. And here is cosine square root d theta. So this will become 1, right? As such is theta plus c. Now let us go back to what we substituted. I'll copy it down. This line, let me copy it here so that I don't have to move up and down. Right? So my sine theta be equals to x minus 2 over 3, correct? So my theta will be sine inverse x minus 2 over 3, or up sine, which is this. In any case, I'm trying to substitute theta. So this is how you can compare the formula and make sure that your answer is correct in the case when the question forces you not to use the formula. Let me know if you have further questions.